Hi everyone, once again, this is Ahmad, your brother, and we're once again here to record a short video on tutorial 7 of our 2406. Now I'm just going to go very quickly to get this working. I know, of course, we have the Express Thick client, and we also have the demo code for Express Thin client. That's problem 2.3. But the most important part is, of course, problem 4. And instead of the weather, we're now dealing with the songs. So I'm just going to go as the specifications rightly specified. We have a song, so I've copied and created this demo code, and here we have our server. This is our server, and I'm just going to run. We've of course changed. When you look at the main function here, we've made a lot of changes from the weather related functions to song related functions. When you go to the script .js, we have functions that at the order in the other program we used weather, but as you can see, we have a new function that has to do with songs, and we're just going to run our program. Just go ahead, and then we go to our stuff. This is we've already downloaded our Express, so Express is already available, as you can see the modules here. And so we're just going to go to server.js, and the server is running on this host. So now we just have this song titles, body, and soul, and you enter the key. Here it goes. This is all we're asked to do, and as you can see, the data is here. That's it. Thank you so much, and do have a wonderful day.